thanks, Heather. Right now, still snowing in parts of the Sierra, and this early season snowstorm has caught many traveling through the area, maybe off guard. Now, after all, July 1st was the last time we actually saw some measurable snow in the mountains, and that was just 3 months ago. Now, again, where you're looking right now in Truckee, I should mention that we're talking about temperatures at 30 degrees, still some light snow being reported there, though those snow levels should start to kind of creep up, say, above 6,000 feet over the next couple of hours. So winding down there, well, let's talk about the snow. Meteorologist Stephanie.
6,000 feet? It's already there. Look at this. They're idiots.
Medium size, to the old-fashioned way. Everyone seemed to be digging out.
So how many?
Brendan.
About 150. Unbelievable.
Kind of early for this?
Yeah, but it can snow anytime up here, But early for as much as we're getting it.
A storm like this, so early in October, seems more like a trick than a trick.
There's Brendan. That's awesome.
Back up by the weekend, because otherwise I'd be screaming.
Not ready for it yet?
No, I'm just thinking, my God, it just stopped snowing a couple days ago.
27 feet last March, and it didn't melt till the end of July, and here we go again.
The system dumped as much as 2 feet of fresh powder on the ski resorts.
Yup.
Back on I-80, 6 inches
Freshy.
Freshy. And at one point, forced the California Highway Patrol to shut the interstate down.
I got mine here because I don't have my change with me.
We from Texas, they wanted us to chain up, but I got nobody to help me, so...
Already, a lot of winter weather woes, and the official start to the season...
Yeah, like a broken ankle. Fuck that.
I'm meteorologist Stephanie Abrams.
That sounds all right. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I think a lot of folks at least looking forward to more of this, but I know not everybody. So here's the deal. We mentioned this in the package there, but a lot of folks have not seen snow since, say, June, at least kind of...
So, yeah, they're saying 2 feet already. I'm saying, yeah, like 2.5, maybe. Non-stop. It's crazy up here. So what do you do in a day like today? I have a few ideas. I think I'm going to make a cake. This cake will be super moist. And I might shovel the deck a little bit. But my foot's hurting me, so I'm going to probably end up calling this acupuncturist chick. See if she can make it out here. If not, I'm going to have to figure something else out. I've been flexing it, working on that. So I'm going to do that today too. Exercise a little bit. But look at this freaking snow out there, man. It's freaking crazy. And it's just sticking hard. Look at how much snow's on that roof. And it's not moving. So you can see my stress levels are starting to rise. And I want to ride. I want to ride really bad. So hopefully I can keep my sanity. Wish me luck.